Hi and welcome to my demo of the baseboard on the SCADA design pattern, part 2. So this part is an extension on the part 1 demo. So if you haven't seen the part 1 demo, I would suggest to go back and watch the part 1 demo. So in this demo, what I want to show you is the pot is the analog in. So as I am changing this value here by changing the pot position, and same is with the digital input 1, it should show on the GUI that we created and demonstrated in part 1 that it, as we said, that when the GUI is there, the user doesn't need to see the box. So if the user is reading from the DIL and AIL while a technician is working on the baseboard and changing the value, so the user should be able to see the change in real time. So what we want to do is we want to be able to read the value in the output box as it changes on the LCD. So for that reason, we have created a live feed. So when this live feed is on, any change is made to the DIL1 and AIL1 will be reflected on the GUI in real time. So let's demo this. So as you can see, if I click on the read analog button, it tells me that the value is 115, which tallies exactly to what's on the board. But if I change the value to 97 or 96, the value here on the output box stays the same. That could be a hazard that the user at the GUI still thinks that the value at the analog input is 115. So for that reason, we can get use of a very good function in Visual Basic, which is called the live feed. So if I turn on the live feed, what it does is it will give me the value of the AIL and the DIL. So if I change the value on the board, it should be able to show me the change on the board while it shows me the change in the value in real time while the live feed is still on. Now, as you can see, we sometimes get a NAC. NAC stands for negative acknowledgement. What that means is the GUI read speed is faster than the board's transmit rate. So that's why when the GUI is trying to read, it throws out negative acknowledgement. But the idea is, as you can see, the value is changing. If I slow down the live feed rate of reading these analog and digital inputs, you will not get any negative acknowledgements. That was the demo of the analog input. Let's see if we can still, DIL1 still shows 1. See if we can press the button and read a DIL0. So if I press the button DIL1, it changes to 0. If I leave it go, it changes to 1. If I press it again, it changes. This concludes the part 2 demo of this presentation, and it shows that we can use the live feed function and be able to read the analog input and digital input as they change on the baseboard. Thank you very much for watching.